That's my daughter in the background trying to sing. She's only 2. Please forgive her. So as you can tell, her chicken strips are still cooking. Takes about 20 minutes for them to cook. And then I'm going to take them out so I can show you how big they are and what they look like. She's not going to eat all of them because they're too big. But, you know, I'm going to eat some with her. Of course. Before my cutoff time. Because I'm fasting 12 hours a day. If my cutoff time is 10:30 or 11 o'clock or whatever time, I don't eat anymore until that next morning. So say that my cutoff time is 11 p.m. I don't eat anything else until 11 in the morning. All I can do is drink water. Just water. If I feel a little sick on the stomach, maybe drink a little ginger ale. Or maybe a little bit of milk, you know, and then drink some water after that. You are not hungry. I'm making you food. You just had French fries. The hell? Excuse me. She be bugging. Be bugging.